This video features products that Vlad and Nikki helped to create.
His toys?
Alice needs her room.
Let's find room.
It's nice room.
Oh, Alice. Yeah.
But we need furniture.
Hello. We need a bed, shelves, lamp, table, and carpet, please. Okay. Mommy needs help.
Hello, my friend. Please help us. Alice, we need a new toy. This is toys for Alice.
Wait for Alice.
This is your bed for real princess. Do you like this toy? Me too. Blue, green, and yellow. Thank you, Christian, for helping Alice to create her room.
You're welcome.
Teamwork always is a good idea.
Okay.
Reading books, buy new clothes, play with toys, go for a walk, and go to sleep.
Look. Giraffe. An elephant. Panda. Tiger. This is the duck. Birds. Trains. Balls. Dogs. Read the books. This for Alice. Yes. Mommy, I want this car. Okay. So this one.
My babies.
It's okay.
It's time to sleep.
Good night, Alice. Go to sleep, okay? Mommy, bees took my lollipop.
Bees? We need to save our honey.
Yes.
Okay. Where are bees? I hope they fly away. Tell me, what are you doing in my house?
We need new home.
Our bees need help. They need new house. Hello, we need a house for bees. Thank you. Our beehive is ready.
Hi, bees.
This house is too small for them. Oh, I have a bad idea. Fasten your seatbelt.
Welcome to my farm.
Hello, this is our bees.
There's new home for you.
Blue color, it's for you. Purple for you. And pink for you.
Thank you so much. They forget their babies.